The Coinbase NFT marketplace is launching this year, and we just got some exciting updates. I'm Devin Cook. Let's talk about the Coinbase NFT marketplace, and welcome back to Dev Money. So a bit of a recap for those of you who may not be up to date on this. Coinbase announced the development of their NFT marketplace back in October of 2021, and ever since then, they've been coming out with some pretty steady updates. There are over 2 million people on the email waitlist for this Coinbase NFT marketplace, which is a monumental number because OpenSea just crossed over 1 million active traders since the launch of OpenSea. Now obviously, just because 2 million emails have signed up to be notified about the Coinbase marketplace once it launches, that doesn't mean we're going to get an influx of 2 million new traders into the NFT marketplace. But Coinbase is in a great position to do with NFTs exactly what they did with crypto. They're going to make it very simple and very digestible for the average user to buy NFTs on their platform, just like they did with crypto. And part of this is because they have arguably the most popular crypto exchange, especially for new users just getting into crypto. They also have their own wallet, the Coinbase wallet, which they've been developing and improving for several months now. And very soon they're going to be launching their own NFT marketplace. So they're really going to control the 3 main pillars within crypto. They're going to have a crypto exchange, they're going to have an NFT exchange, and they're going to have a wallet that you can store your crypto and NFTs on. And because they're going to control all 3 of these aspects, there's going to be some benefits to that, but there's also going to be a couple downsides. We don't have any details about this at this point, but hopefully if you use all 3 of their platforms, their exchange, their NFT marketplace, and their wallet, hopefully we can see some cost savings from doing so. Ideally, we'll see less fees involved if you have a Coinbase wallet that you're using in tandem with the Coinbase NFT marketplace. And again, no solid details on that, but it would be really great to see. And if they do something like that, they'll be in a really unique position to attract new buyers and new traders onto their platform. Because hopefully when their marketplace launches, they'll be able to say something like,
hey, come over to our crypto exchange, buy some Ethereum, and then send it over to our Coinbase wallet at no additional cost. And then you can use that wallet on the Coinbase NFT marketplace and buy an NFT for a reduced fee.
But the downside of owning all 3 of these aspects of the business is that we're getting farther and farther away from decentralization. They're already a massive public company, and decentralization is not their strongest suit. And the larger the company becomes, the less decentralized they'll be. And Brian Armstrong, the Coinbase CEO, said that we are very excited about NFTs. This is going to be a large area for crypto in the future, and it could be as big or bigger than our existing crypto exchange business. So they are very obviously big believers in the future of NFTs. And we've recently gotten some updates as well from Sanchen Saxena, who is the VP of product for Coinbase. In one of his tweets on January 26th, he said that you can buy an NFT that was minted on any platform right on Coinbase NFT. Now that's a pretty massive statement, and that had me wondering, once Coinbase NFT Marketplace launches, does that mean I'll be able to buy Ethereum NFTs, Cardano NFTs, Solana NFTs, Immutable X NFTs, Polygon NFTs, and any other NFT on any other blockchain, all on the Coinbase NFT marketplace? Because if that's the case and they were implementing some other massive blockchains like Solana onto their marketplace, then they would have a massive leg up over OpenSea. And thankfully someone asked him that very same question on Twitter, and he responded to it by saying any NFT that was minted on chain Ethereum at launch can be listed and sold on Coinbase NFT. So at launch, it sounds like Coinbase NFT marketplace is only going to support Ethereum NFTs. So those that were hoping for Solana NFT integration or Cardano NFT integration or some other layer 2 integration with Coinbase NFT marketplace, it sounds like you're gonna have to wait for at least a little bit after the launch. And Sanchan has also released 2 different videos about the Coinbase NFT marketplace to showcase a bit of how it's gonna work. The first video was released back in November, but the second one was released just a couple days ago. And I'm gonna be going through both of these videos, and if you wanna check them out for yourself, you just head over to his Twitter page and see those videos right there. So the first one he actually has pinned. It was released here on November 4th, and we'll just go and play this video right here. And you can see if we jump into it, we can see basically the main page for the Coinbase NFT marketplace. We're gonna have a discover page, we're gonna have a following page, a drops page, we can search for different titles and creators. We're gonna have trending auctions and accounts to follow. Now, this following portion and this accounts to follow portion, I think are gonna be really big aspects for the entire Coinbase NFT marketplace. And once you hit sign in, you're gonna be able to connect a wallet that you already have, sign in with Coinbase, or create a new wallet right here from within the Coinbase marketplace. And once you hit connect wallet, you're gonna be able to choose from the different options. You're gonna have Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, and Wallet Connect. And it's really cool to have those options because most people use MetaMask, and if you have a hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor, you can use MetaMask interfacing with those wallets, and then you can use them right here on the Coinbase marketplace. Also, if you have a Ballet wallet and you have some NFT stored on there, you can use Wallet Connect to interface with that wallet and then interface with the Coinbase NFT marketplace. And then once you choose your wallet, you're gonna get this little pop-up that's basically allowing permission for Coinbase to see your wallet. And I love this portion right here where it says cannot move funds without your permission. It's definitely a lot more streamlined right here with this window versus MetaMask. It can sometimes get a bit messy, and sometimes if you're not paying close attention with MetaMask and you're not reading everything, you may not see what permissions you're giving to a specific website, and that's how people get their funds and their NFTs stolen. So I really like how simple it's outlining all the permissions that you're giving to the Coinbase website. Then once you hit allow, it's going to connect, and you're also going to be able to pick a username, and then you're going to be able to enter your email as well. Your username is going to be just like your username on Instagram or Twitter. People are going to be able to search it and find you and your collection. You can also upload a profile picture, or you can select an NFT from your wallet and have a verified profile picture, and then you can put your name and your bio if you would like to. And then you can choose which of your NFTs you want to add from your profile. You can add just some of them or all of them. You're going to be able to see what NFTs you own as well as which NFTs you've created yourself. And then once you've done that, you're going to be able to see your profile, and it's going to look a lot like an Instagram profile. You're going to see all of your NFTs. You can choose to list the NFTs. You can see all of the names. And then once you come up here to the top, you're going to be able to see your username, your handle, your bio, and also your linked Instagram and your linked Twitter as well. And then also, if you look here on the right, you'll see your number of followers, those that you're following, and also how many NFTs you have for sale. And what I think is most interesting about this is that they are really making this NFT marketplace from Coinbase seem a lot like a social platform. It really looks like they just took Instagram, took Coinbase, and then merged them and had an NFT marketplace baby. And then here on the 26th of January, you can see that he released another video as well. And we'll hop into that one, and you can see some more information about the kind of things that we're gonna see on the marketplace. And this video is really gonna showcase how easy it is to buy NFTs on the Coinbase marketplace, which is pretty cool to see. So just like OpenSea, you're gonna be able to go up to the search bar and search for a project like Pudgy Penguins, and then you can click on that project. You can see the floor price, the 7-day volume, and how many are for sale as well. And then once you select one of the NFTs and you hit the buy now button, you're gonna see a window pop up that looks very similar to MetaMask, but a bit more streamlined. You'll be able to review all the details right here, so you can see the list price, the gas fees, which you'll see in your wallet, and the wallet that you're gonna be buying it with. And then once you're good with this info, you're gonna hit confirm info, and then you're gonna see this next window pop up, and then you're gonna need to hit open wallet. And then once you do that, you're gonna see this window pop up, which is very similar to MetaMask, but I think it's easier to read. It just looks a bit nicer. You're gonna see the wallet that you're using, the cost of the NFT, the network fee, the total cost, and the network that you're on, in this case Ethereum. And then once you're good with that information, you're just gonna hit the confirm button. It's gonna process that transaction, and then you'll be able to go into your profile on the Coinbase NFT marketplace, and you can see right here that Pudgy Penguin right in your wallet. So those are the latest updates from Coinbase NFT marketplace. Once it launches, are you gonna be switching over from OpenSea? Let me know in the comments below.